Confusing prepositions and conjunctions. Common errors and misconceptions. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In today's lesson, we'll be focusing on a topic that often confuses English learners: prepositions and conjunctions. Specifically, we'll explore common errors and misconceptions related to these language elements. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use prepositions and conjunctions correctly. So, let's dive in. Before we delve into the common errors, let's quickly review what prepositions and conjunctions are. Prepositions are words that establish relationships between nouns, pronouns, or phrases in a sentence. They indicate location, direction, time, manner, or possession. For example, in, on, and at are common prepositions. On the other hand, conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. They express relationships such as addition, contrast, cause and effect, or purpose. Examples of conjunctions include and, but, because, and, so. Understanding the distinction between prepositions and conjunctions is crucial for avoiding common errors in usage. Let's move on to the next section, where we'll explore some of these errors in detail. Error 1. Confusing in and on. One common mistake is confusing the prepositions in and on. In indicates being inside or within something, while on denotes being in contact with the surface of something. Here's an example. I am in the room, inside the room, versus the book is on the table, on the surface of the table. Remember, in is used for enclosed spaces, while on is used for surfaces. Error 2. Misusing between and among. Another error to watch out for is misusing the prepositions between and among. Between is used when referring to two things or people, while among is used when referring to three or more things or people. For instance, she shared the candy between John and Mary, referring to two people, and the secret was known among the entire group, referring to a group of people. Remember, use between for two and among for more than two. Error 3. Interchanging but and however. A common mistake in using conjunctions involves interchanging but and however. Both words serve as contrastive conjunctions, but they have different positions in a sentence. But is used to connect two independent clauses, such as, I studied hard, but I still failed the exam. On the other hand, however, is an adverb and is usually placed at the beginning of a sentence, followed by a comma. However, I still failed the exam even though I studied hard. Remember, use but within a sentence and however at the beginning. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our lesson on confusing prepositions and conjunctions. We covered the basics of prepositions and conjunctions, and we explored common errors and misconceptions related to their usage. Remember, prepositions establish relationships between nouns and phrases, while conjunctions connect words and clauses. By avoiding errors like confusing in